In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change margins in WordPress quickly. If you've ever worked with WordPress, you know that customization is key to making your website look just the way you want it. Changing the margins is a fundamental aspect of design that could enhance the visual aesthetic of your site. Whether you want more or less space between elements, adjusting margins can make a big difference. Let's walk you through the process, making sure it's straightforward and easy to follow. First, let's navigate to your WordPress dashboard. This is where all the customization magic happens. Once you're on your dashboard, look on the left-hand side for the Appearance tab. Click on it, and then select Customize. This will take you to the WordPress Customizer, a powerful tool that lets you modify various design aspects of your website. Now that you're in the Customizer, look for the Additional CSS option. It's generally towards the bottom of the list. CSS, or Cascading Style Sheets, is the language that allows you to control the style and layout of your website. When you click on Additional CSS, you'll see a box where you can enter CSS code that will override the default WordPress styling. The next step is to identify the element or elements for which you want to change the margins. If you're not sure about the specific names of these elements, an easy way to find out is by using the Inspect tool in your web browser. Right-click on the element in question and choose Inspect. This will open a panel that shows the HTML and CSS associated with your website. You can find the element's class or ID here, which is crucial for targeting in CSS. Once you have identified the element, return to the WordPress Customizer's Additional CSS panel. Here, you can write the CSS rule to change the margins. For instance, if you've identified the element's class as .contentArea, you might write something like .contentArea, a margin, 20 px. This provides 20 pixels of space around the specified element. You can adjust the pixel value as you see fit to achieve your desired layout. After you've entered your CSS code, it's time to see what changes have been made. The Customizer conveniently displays a live preview of your site on the right side of the screen. This is a great feature as it allows you to see the effect of your changes in real time before you make them permanent. Once you're satisfied with how the margins look, you can go ahead and click the Publish button to save your changes. This will apply the new margins across your website, and anyone visiting your site will see your newly adjusted layout. If at any point you would like to revert or modify these changes, you can simply revisit the Additional CSS section and adjust the CSS code accordingly. And there you have it, a simple way to quickly change margins in WordPress. I hope this guide was helpful in improving your website's layout. Don't forget to like this video if you found it informative and subscribe for more WordPress tips and tutorials.